Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can let your friends know what you're currently listening to on Spotify. So here, if you want to show your activity on Spotify to your friends, you just need to go to the Spotify settings, or you can also click on this friend activity, and then here you can enable the settings. In here you can see let friends and followers on Spotify see what you are listening to. You can go to settings and enable the share my listening activity on Spotify. So let's go to setting, and in here you can find the social section, this one, and you need to make sure that you turn this on, share my listening activity on Spotify. So just click on the circle in here until it turns to green, and here you can also show the recently played artists on your profile if you want to. So that's how you can share or show off what you are listening on Spotify to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.